What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your Android device in 2003. It's a super useful trick if you want more privacy or a cleaner app drawer. First things first, grab your phone and go to the settings menu. This is your main control center where you can manage everything from apps and storage to privacy and system features. Now, scroll down slowly until you find an option like Home Screen, Apps, or Display. This can vary slightly depending on your phone brand. Tap on it to open. Next, keep scrolling until you see an option called Hide Apps, or sometimes App Lock and Hide Apps. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open a new menu where you can control which apps are visible on your device. Now, you'll see a list of all installed apps. Simply scroll through and select the apps you want to hide. You can choose one or multiple apps depending on your needs. After selecting, tap on Done, Apply, or OK. And just like that, those apps will instantly disappear from your home screen and app drawer. Don't worry, they're not deleted. You can always access or unhide them later from the same menu. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.